Good day, everybody. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about a GMAT Quant Prep problem. I would like to mention that I've solved all kinds of Quant Prep problems just for you in my channel at You Can Do Math. So please subscribe to my channel because then you'll have access to all kinds of math problems solved just for you. Okay. Without further ado, I'll get started. If 75% of all Americans own an automobile, 15% of all Americans own a bicycle, and 20% of all Americans own neither an automobile nor a bicycle, then what percentage of all Americans own both an automobile and a bicycle? And there are 5 options. So I've done what is called a Venn diagram. Okay. Inside the Venn diagram, the rectangle, you see 2 circles intersecting, that is cutting each other. Now A is the probability of an American owning an automobile, which is 0.75. B circle is the probability of an American's owning a bicycle, which is 0.15. And outside the circles is the area 0.2, which is the probability 20% of all Americans own neither an automobile nor a bicycle. That is 0.2. So it is given probability of A is 0.75, probability of B is 0.15, and probability of not A or B, neither A nor B, not A or B is 0.2. So since probability of not A or B is equal to 0.2, so probability of A or B, which is the complement event of or opposite event of not A or not B, okay, is probability of A or B is complement of not A or not B is therefore equal to 1 minus probability of not A or B. So probability of A or B is 1 minus probability of not A or B, which is 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. Okay, so we know probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A and B, the probability of the area where they intersect. Okay, so we know probability of A or B is 0.8. We know probability of A is 0.75, probability of B is 0.15. We just do not know what is the probability of A and B where they intersect, which is common to both the A circle and the B circle. Okay, so if we simplify, 0.8 is equal to 0.75 plus 0.15 is 0.9 minus probability of A and B. So we will add probability of A and B on both sides of the equal to sign. So we have 0.8 plus probability of A and B is equal to 0.9. Now we will subtract 0.8 from both sides. So we will get probability of A and B on the left is equal to 0.9 minus 0.8, which is 0.1. Hence, the probability of A and B, which we are interested to find out, where Americans own both an automobile and a bicycle, which is the common area between automobile and bicycle, is equal to 0.9 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.1 or 10%. Correct answer is option E, which is 10%. So I will stop here today. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me. Just shoot me a comment and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And I'm coming back next time with another GMAT quant problem solved just for you. So please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, because then you will have access to all kinds of quant problems solved just for you. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.